how to fix payment failure on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such payment failure issue on your Facebook, so in that case what you might want to do is first just head over to your Play Store and simply search in for Facebook application. And just make sure you have updated your Facebook application to its latest version, because there might be some internal box issue which is causing the payment failure option or error on your Facebook application. So if that doesn't work, so in that case what you want to do is just come back to your Facebook and just click on your profile icon at the top right corner and simply scroll down and click on settings. So once you enlarge the settings and privacy just like this, you can see there's an option called auto send payments. So now what you need to do is, if you have already set it up your payment option, which I assure you have already done, so just click on that particular payment option and try removing it from over your device. So once you try removing it, you simply have to add back the same payment method which you used. So let's say if you have added a credit card or debit card, so now simply add re-enter your credit card credentials just like this. And once you make sure you have successfully corrected it or correctly verified it, simply click on save and try using the same payment method and your issue should be fixed successfully. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.